everyone, this is Julissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this little mini Christmas tree, a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and some pretty ornaments. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I also added the little rhinestones on the bottom of the bucket, little pail that I didn't mention.
DIY, you're gonna need feather boa. You can get any color. I like white, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. Also from the Dollar Tree, I got this sheer ribbon. This pink actually looks white, so we're gonna be using that. And then I got this from the Dollar Tree also, which is a clear ornament. It's a DIY ornament and it's plastic. So we just cut a piece off from the boa, the feather boa, and we're just putting it inside of the ornament. The little cap back onto the ornament, and we're also going to be putting some of the feather boa around the top part of the ornament, so it's going to look like this. And we're going to cut a piece off and we're going to be gluing it with our glue gun. So we're gluing the feather wrap around the top part of the ornament. Just like that. So with the ribbon, we're gonna be using it as the little ornament hanger. About this much should be fine. Enough so you can make like a little bow at the top. How cute is that? It's adorable. I went ahead and added the fake snow in the ornament, and we're putting the top on, and then we're gonna be wrapping this around, which is the adhesive little diamond wrap that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So we're just wrapping it around the end, and I put glue gun on one side where the two ends meet, and I'm just cutting it. And we're gonna be using our little ribbon, of course, as a little holder. These are our ornaments that we made, our Dollar Tree little ornaments. Our feathers and our snow. We have our fake snow from Walmart. We have just a random little piece of styrofoam. And also we have our two Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. And we have this little tin can from Target that we spray painted it white. So with the trees, I put the branches to the side on each of them, and then I'm gonna be connecting them together. And what you could do, there's actually one long one, you can wrap it. And then you can like just spread out the little branches. So it just looks a lot fuller. And then in the bottom, you can go ahead and wrap it around also. And then just spread out the branches. I left one of the bottom pieces. Okay. So with the spray, I have the little Christmas tree on the stand that it came with, and I'm gonna be spraying it. Adding glue to the bottom of the little stand and adding it up, putting it on top of the styrofoam. So we put it on top of the styrofoam to let it dry, and I'm gonna be putting the Christmas tree right on top. This is how the tree came out, and I'm just showing you, because obviously the ornaments are too big for the tree, I'm just showing you how they came out. This is our big one with the feathers inside and the feather boa on the top. We have the one with the snow. So cute. And it has the feather boa also. We also have the regular one with the feather boa, and we made a few of those. And then, yeah, so we have the feather boa and the snow for this one. And we're gonna be decorating the tree with our smaller ornaments.
This branch I found in my backyard, and all I did was spray painted it gray. And there is my little Charlie Brown Christmas tree.